How's it going, everybody? Tyler and Maddie here, and we're here with ReelRhythm for another vlog. We haven't done one of these in a while.
Yeah, it's been since 2021.
So things have happened, and we're so excited to update you all on it. And we have some pretty exciting news. We'll get to that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But let's go. Let's do it.
So it's been about, I don't know, how many months has it been? Since March of 2021, since we performed with Azula.
Well, that might be one of the first big updates.
Yeah, we got cats. But I think everyone pretty much should have known that if they've followed me, at least on any social media. This is Katara, and that's Azula.
Azula.
They're sissy girls. So we haven't performed since March of 2021, but we've obviously been working behind the scenes on just production.
Showcase off the ground. We got plenty of footage of that. We've been using that to send out to places and get the ball rolling. What else? So we did the showcase. This was March. May,
we moved to Jersey.
We're here. We're in.
I booked a off-Broadway show in July, and we went into rehearsals, and that was what I did all of the fall. Then Tyler went on tour in November, right when I ended my show. So yesterday we decided to jump back in. I rented a studio at Ripley Greer, and we just needed, we have our studio upstairs, but sometimes it's better when you get out of the house, you get a little bit more done, and I think we did. I think we got more done than we would have if we had stayed.
It was a lot of fun. It was cool just going through like the old material and thinking at first that I didn't remember certain parts, but as soon as the music turned on, it all clicked and it all, for the most part, came back.
Yeah.
What happened, Maddie?
Huh?
Why are we in this studio?
Because I didn't like the floor in the other one, because I'm picky.
It's okay.
And it was slippy.
Yeah.
And this is like not as slippy. And we're also working on new numbers. We're thinking about doing an a cappella number. We're just brainstorming different ideas to add to expand our show and our repertoire. Well, I don't have to do that.
Let's do it.
One of Tyler's solos that he created, the beginning of the solo at least, is kind of the inspiration for our next piece, at least just that starting rhythm that he does. We had the idea yesterday, and then that was about all we were able to produce after that.
It was a solo. I mean, I've been doing that solo since I was like 20, so like, you know, I'm really excited to have that potentially be a part of the show, you know, because it's been such a big part of my process. So exciting news. What we were talking about earlier, once we got the debut going and we got the footage and we got the stuff that we needed to build a package to start shipping around, that's what we did. We shipped it out to as many places and companies and agencies and everywhere to start kind of building buzz about the show and hoping that somebody would want to work with us, see the potential in the show idea and all that kind of stuff.
And the thing is that we're just two people, and we need other people in our corner and other people to help us get this off the ground. It takes a village, and we're excited to welcome Sunny Spot Productions to be our executive producers.
Yeah, well, there it is. Yeah, Sunny Spot Productions. We're so excited, so honored to be working with them, taking them on as our executive producers for the show, and start building a timeline, basically.
Yeah. Zoe Knives, Jack Batman, and Bruce Harris are going to be our producers. So they're the main people at Sunny Spot, and we're really excited.
Yeah, we know a lot about dancing and all that, the performing part, but you know, we're really excited to hear out their expertise and their knowledge with the production side of this all.
Right, so we definitely are excited and grateful for the help and are really excited to welcome them to this process and have them on this journey and have them in our corner, and yeah, it's gonna be great.
I mean, when we first thought of this idea as, you know, just a way for us to continue dancing together, and we wanted to just see where that would go and it, you know, so we're excited. Hopefully y'all can continue following us and see where this goes. We're excited for the journey, and thank you all for tuning in, and yeah, more videos to come, more fun vlogs and updates. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Beep, 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 beep.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, she's not having it. Bye-bye.